Yo hustlers, welcome back to Hustle Guides. Welcome back to Hustle Guides. This is your plug that is going to give you free, quick online tools to boost your hustle. Today I'm going to show you how to remove any background from your photo using a free tool. The name of the free tool is before we go to the name and all those things, do you know that this is the question that almost everyone have out there? They will be asking themselves, how do I remove this background? How to remove the, I don't know, Photoshop. How can I work on a table on my computer and remove background of any photo and all those things? Remember, some of the celebs, they will be posting photos on Facebook. Can you remove this? Can you put me in UK? Can you put me in London and all those things? They will be saying a lot of stuff. So I can even remove a photo, put someone in a bedroom. Remove a photo, put you in Dubai. Okay, not you want to be fancy, but you want to use that one for good purposes and good reasons. So what we are going to do now is to remove these questions in our head, and we must not crack like, how do we do this? So first things first, what you should do now is to jump into your Chrome, be it your Chrome browser or your Opera, your Firefox, Microsoft, iOS, whichever browser that you are using. You go there, you just type in Remove.bg. After typing in, I was there, I was doing this, I was trying to do this. And even if there is an eraser, you can add a background, you can remove a background. There are also effects. There is also, you can create that one to direct you to Canva. So before we do all of those things, let's just do the basic. The eraser, I can show you the basic here. The eraser can do this. Let's say you want to remove the ear of this animal here. You can just erase this ear only. You can just erase this ear. The moment that you lift your eraser, it will take only a few minutes, and boom, there is no ear. The eraser has removed the ear. So the eraser, you can move it the bigger the way you want or smaller the way you want. It's just a magic brush. You can do the magic. So if you want to erase a bigger portion, you can just take it bigger. If you want a smaller portion, you can just take it smaller, depending on how do you want to use your eraser. So you can see the eraser is there in the image here. I can even take this one horn here. We can cut it like this, and let's just take it off, all of it, and leave one. The moment you lift your eraser, the magic will happen, and you can see there is now only one horn and one ear. Okay, so what we are going to do, I'm going to start with you. Let's say you want to remove a picture of something that is new. Let's just type in a pig, right? I'm using animals, I don't know why, but let's just use those animals. So here's the picture of a pig. There is another one. There is another one. Let's just download. Let's save this picture to our device. So what you have to do is, you must save the picture in your device. So we save this picture. After saving this picture, this one didn't save. Let's go to images here and see if you can find a downloadable picture. Let's see this one. Let's see this one. Some people will put those securities what on their image so that you can download it. Download 19. Okay, this one is there. So what you do here, we come here, we add a picture that you want to work with, or that you want to work on, that you want to remove that image. So there is these pictures here. Let's use this download, and it's here, and it will take just a few seconds, just like that. Did you see the magic? You didn't see the magic. Let me put another one so that you can see how fast it is. Let me put this one, and once it's there, you will see how many minutes that did it take to remove the image, the background. Did you see that? This is the picture now. What you have to do now is just download this picture, or you can add a background. Let's say you have a picture that you want to add on this picture that you have removed the background. You can come here and add the picture, or you can add the ones that are there. Let's see which one can we put here. Let's put this pig in this bar. You can see now the peak is in this room here. I don't know, it's a bar or something. There's these things at the back there. Okay, let's put this peak in this road. You can see that peak is on the road now. It's no longer on that the way it was when we downloaded the image. So this is the magic, guys. It's something that we must do now. We don't have to pay and stress and now you can see that everyone is smiling because it works. We remove the background. So what you have to do is, I told you, go to your Chrome, remove.bg. Just a bonus tip, you can add that background. It's another bonus tip. You can choose different backgrounds. You can even add your background that you have there. Now let me tell you how to use this in your house. Making products, photos for your online shop. It's not like you have to put yourself in Dubai all the time, or you have to put yourself in America. No, you can create clean profile pictures for your CVs. Those pictures that doesn't have background, or just a clean profile picture for your CV that you want to update at the back there. You can also put design YouTube thumbnails for people. Like you ask, can you design a thumbnail for me? You design that YouTube thumbnail for people. You can build flyers, posters, and marketing ads. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or you're just starting out, this tool saves your time and it saves money. Yes, it works on mobile too. Just open the same link on your mobile browser and do the same steps. If you find this video helping, smash a like button, subscribe to us, guys, and drop a comment if you want more tutorials like this. And remember, don't wait for perfect tools. Use what's free and start where you are. This is the place to be. We will see you in the next video. I told you it's just the beginning. We are going to make these videos that can make life easy for us with just a click, as we are keyboard warriors each and every day, so that by the end of 30 days, I know with the 30 tricks that we are going to give you, everyone will be free and happy on how to navigate and make sure life is easy in 2025. Remember, this is the world of AI and everything is changing, evolving almost every day. Let's hustle smart. Remember our motto and theme: learn, hustle, repeat. Learn, hustle, repeat. Work good. It's bye bye for now.